We've been booked out solid 3 weeks since April. Conservatively, 15 to 20,000 is about a month is about our average. And so if you hear people telling you that there's no money in this job, they are incorrect.
My name is Laura Cockrell. I am from Spokane, Washington. My business is On The Go Mobile RV.
My name is Mike Beckman. I'm from Spokane, Washington, which is eastern Washington. I own Pinnacle Mobile RV Service.
I decided to come to NRVTA in September of last year just to change the career that I was in. I wanted to try something different. By going to school here, the best part was the hands-on training that we got. All the instructors were fantastic. The learning experience and the community and the camaraderie here was one of the best experiences that I've had.
My wife and I retired, and we were looking at going full-time RV. At the same time, we were looking for something that we could do on the road to generate a little bit of income. That's what led me to mobile tech work, which then led me to NRVTA and doing our research. We felt it was the most complete school out there that was available, and everything we saw online and on the videos led us to NRVTA over any other school that we found.
So after I finished and graduated and got my certificates here as a certified RV tech, like I said, became a TA, and that's where I met Mike, who happened to be where I was from. We lived in the same area. After he graduated, we decided that we were going to go back home and go in and work together. One of my biggest things is to make sure, if you plan on doing this, is to market yourself, to do the legwork, because it really will help out your business. We have been so busy. We work 6-7 days a week. We're booked out 3 weeks, and the confidence, like I said, is from this school and being able to do it because you have it in your back pocket. If you are thinking about coming to NRVTA, I highly recommend doing it. You won't be sorry. Put the work in. It's exciting. It's the hands-on. You can go out and make a new career for yourself by coming here. Like I said, don't hesitate. Absolutely dive right in.
Gaining the knowledge and the experience and the confidence from this school has been a great thing for us. And I would encourage anybody who's thinking about it to get the training, become certified. I still firmly believe that at this point, there is no other school that compares with NRVTA. For the completeness of the education, the quality of the instructors, and the campus, it was mind-blowing. I have no regrets coming here.